my corner.
You should go stand
It's my corner.
Hold it up.
Hey Jerry, show me it.
You should go up to him and hold it up.
Honk if you're horny.
That's a girl.
Do it.
No, that's a girl. Oh, shit.
It's fine.
You do it.
Huh?
You actually don't have to do it.
Do it. Go like, go Hey, funny my mom. Oh, this them.
Pacific has dark sides.
This is perfection.
I was just go. Here, wait, hold on.
So scared.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Hey. I would hope
I should like flash everyone. That's funny.
That's why I do cherry.
Ah! I want my horny sign. Put it up in my room. Jay, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, it's your sticker!
Oh, yep.
it's time for turning me on.
Elka, you turn me on every day. Oh yeah. Oh, no one's turned on.
Fireplace it!
Oh, why is she shut? What?
Alright guys, check!
Hey, I can see my reflection. Oh yeah.
Is that Mr. Amos?
Really? Where? Is that him? Mr. Amos.
Evan!
Want me to do it? Here.